Hi guys, it's Thomas here from COTBASE.com. Welcome to a special video. I'm recording this just after my previous review on the 26th Commitments of Traders report, as I'll be traveling and wouldn't be able to do a new review. I'd also like to mention that if you're watching this, don't be surprised. There will be no Commitments of Traders reports issued by CFTC due to the holiday, and it will be coming out on Monday. Okay, so I thought in today's video, I'll just first of all remind you that we have some amazing deals going on, summer deals, great discounts on our most popular services, the COTBASE Premium, which focuses on classic COT analysis, available at 40 and 60% discounts compared to the monthly prices. The iCOT Intraday Indicator with after signal, so this is the most advanced indicator we have, is available at 40 and 67% discounts. Now you can combine the two and choose that. So give it a shot. These are amazing deals. We don't always have these, so I hope you'll check them out. What I wanted to continue meaning from last week, I was showing you the Euro-Japanese yen currency pair, and I found this wonderful 5-minute candlestick chart here to kind of explain to you the benefit of the indicator. And what you can see here is a 5-minute candlestick chart. It is, I think, very, very beautiful because we've got a lot of tools that are strengthening each other's signals. So we have the iCOT intraday indicator. We have it twice on the chart. One is focusing on the long side, so searching for opportunities to buy, and the other one is focused on finding opportunities to sell. And then RSI Hunter is an amazing tool that we've purchased and are available to give to you. It's not yet available on the website, I'm sorry to say, but if you are interested, just send us an email to info@cotbase.com and I'll help you set it up. So it's a great tool that further, filters out the signals. So you can see over here, for example, we are starting to get signals. Now, mind you, the iCOT intraday indicator with after signal it already has an inbuilt filtering tool. So you can see that we're getting some significant bullish readings from the market, yet the after signal will only trigger a buy once the market is confirming that stress level, right? Not only do we have that, but we also see the RSI Hunter giving us a couple of signals that, hey, something's going on here. And it turns out to be a very, very successful signal. Now, on the opposite side, you can see we didn't reach a sell territory here. And so the signal itself here is, it's not bad. It's giving us a good time to buy, but you do need to wait quite a bit before you can actually capture a more decent profit on that trade. Whereas over here, you can see we reach the RSI Hunter, and that signal, especially this one over here, catches quite a big move over to the right that you can see. Now, this isn't just one example. So if you watch my previous review, that's the only picture I was showing, but you can scroll back, and even though the signal limits are static, so in this current version of the indicator, these limit settings are static. They're not changing. We are working on a new version of this indicator, which is going to be a dynamic limit setting, which is very, very cool. We're almost done with it, so I'm very excited to show that to you in the near future, hopefully not too long out. But nevertheless, you can see that when you catch a good setting, it can actually work for quite some time, right? So how about that? That's just a beautiful sell signal just at the RSI Hunter level there, bringing down the market. Now, of course, you do get some buy signals on the way down, which can, give you an opportunity to scale back from your trade. Or if you were to, open a longer term chart, then you can, decide for yourself whether that's something on this shorter time frame analysis that you want to take, right? So anyways, this is really a great tool to supplement classic COT analysis, especially when we don't have a report. You can always choose. Let me just show you something. If we are any market, I'm just going to take these off and say, let's look at a daily candlestick chart, right? So this is the Euro Japanese yen. We're going to wait until it loads, or it does not load for whatever reason. Well, let's look at just the Euro US dollar then. Okay, so this is a daily candlestick chart of one of the largest markets in the world, the Euro US dollar. And what you see here is we don't have anything on the chart. We don't have the report issued just yet, right? But luckily for us, we have the iCOT scores, which is an amazing tool to capture. For instance, here we have a bullish stress reading, right? Just around this bottom over here. We have a bearish reading just around this top. So this is just the chart and the iCOT scores, which is really the heart and soul of our indicator. You can see another bullish reading over there, a bearish reading just around here. So this is a daily candlestick chart of the Euro US dollar with iCOT scores underneath. By the way, in the premium, in the pro membership, we have added the iCOT scores to our charts. So you don't need to have a TradingView account or the indicator in order to analyze. You can just go here and choose. We talked about the euro. We can add the iCOT scores chart. It's going to take a little bit of time to load, and there we go. Let's go back to the 1 years, and you can see over here. So it's quite the tool. You can see the relationship between the extremes. We have a bullish one over here. We have a bearish one over there. We have a bearish one over here, a bullish extreme, a bullish extreme, a bullish extreme, a bearish one over there, right? You can see that clearly identifying great buy and sell opportunity. So I would argue that it might even be a little bit more accurate in some cases than classic COT analysis. So we are very, very proud of this indicator, and I truly believe it's something you should give a try and test and let us know what you think. Really, I'm very confident that you're gonna find value in it. So just closing off this special video, I just want to remind you of our summer deals that are going on. I hope you are I hope you are going to give this a chance and give it a shot. If you have any questions, don't forget we're here to help and assist you. Just send us an email to info@cotbase.com or just comment underneath the video. Thank you for your attention. Have a wonderful weekend. See you next time.